A pre-owned 2013 Audi Allroad 2.0 T Quattro Premium Plus. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a Tiptronic transmission. This Audi has less than 111,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.